Now, what this forum has done is actually given a chance to all industry experts to come together and share their thoughts. In fact, इनका motto है sharing is progressing, and ये मानते हैं कि देखिए जब तक आप अपने ideas share नहीं करेंगे दूसरे आदमी के साथ, तो आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि वो क्या सोच रहा है. And when these 2, 3, 15 people come together and share their ideas, उससे निकलता है एक बड़ा idea, and that बड़ा idea is going to take this industry forward. Imagination, innovation and intelligence are the three golden rules of the retail industry, and the Retail Forum 2013 presented a platform to the people related to this industry to discuss innovation, keynotes of starting up a business in the retail sector, and also provided networking opportunities with peers and industry experts.
Middle East Retail Forum is the catalyst for retail growth in this region. The basic agenda is to really reinvent the retail growth through sharing knowledge by experts from the industry who are real retailers, through showcasing innovation and ideas and some level of research which will help retailers plan for the future.
Everything we do is basically based on the relation that the public and the private sector has. So when ideas come, as crazy as it might sound, going for 24-hour shopping, without that collaboration, without that relation that we built on through the many years since the DSF inception, right, since 1996, if we haven't built that relation up till now, such ideas will not come to see the light. But now, whenever a new idea comes into our mind, the first thing we do is we sit around the table and think, you know what, we would like to do this. What do you think? It's like we are all for it. So that relation that we've established throughout the years really allow us to execute such activities.
In markets like the GCC, given the climatic conditions and given the ecosystem, I think retail is a way of life. You go to a mall for entertainment, you go to a mall for recreation, you go to a mall to pass time, and that's not going to change.
If you have an idea and I have an idea, if we both share that idea, we both will have two ideas. And if you have 10 dirhams and I have 10 dirhams, if you give me your 10 dirhams, I'll have 20, you'll have 0. So ideas are much bigger and futuristic than money.
The two-day forum encouraged retailers to share their ideas on various topics like the public and private sector joining hands together for the development of a better and bigger retail market in the Middle East. Also, it inspired young entrepreneurs to create a niche for themselves in the market, and a special forum was held for all working women in the industry.
Women started to go into more business sectors about 20 years ago, and the fact that there's more women in a lot of domains in the last 5 years means that she's been successful. She's been given more chances and she has been proving herself.
It's good to know that things are changing. There's an influx of women, in every aspect, and retail is just another one of those things where women are slowly but surely emerging on top. And I think that's a good thing because, women as consumers, we are emotional, passionate people. We decide, we're governed by our emotions, and we need some women up there on top, making the decisions for other women too, because nobody knows a woman like another woman.
After the Retail Forum, it was time for the Retail Awards. The competition here was very stiff, but no matter how stiff the competition, there's always only one winner, and like they say, jo jeeta, wahi sikata. The forum was then followed by the Middle East Retail Awards. This prestigious annual event recognizes top-performing retailers and best retail practices in the industry and rewards excellence across a range of retail categories. Landmark Group, Apparel Group, Rivoli Group and Dubai Duty Free bagged the most prestigious awards for the year 2013.
Oh, it's a great feeling.